Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So I guess it's time for some Friday fun, so let's get into it. So I guess as the channel gets bigger, I should probably expect more spam and trolling and all this kind of stuff. So I'm wondering if I'm finally turning the corner. And I guess like one way to tell the quality of the channel is by the quality of trolls. So this one is a little weird though. So like this first comment by this put call ratio person is disturbing how much you don't have a clue. A dollar store version of yield max, and this is from like the SoFi THTA video that I made quite a while back. And this person likes to insult people, I guess. And then this other person, which might be like an alt account, you're clearly confused about THTA and where it's going. And I found it kind of funny that they were so close together that I thought it might be like a person that's trying to troll me from like different accounts. But I'm insulted that there's no analysis or like any type of like a video rebuttal. And like if you want to do one, like just please be specific. And these are from like older accounts with like either one or like no videos. So I'm kind of wondering if my theory is correct. But I guess it is what it is. So I'm kind of wondering if this is maybe from like a SoFi, Zega, or title fluffer, someone that's maybe working for the company, or if it's something else. But want to give this person like a B minus for effort. And it's not the first time, so I'm a little suspicious of the timing. This might be a different account, like whoever this person is. This video is a joke. Basically, just rank the highest yielding ones as the best, which shows you clearly, again, interesting use of the language here. Don't understand the criteria investment professionals actually use. And then this person doesn't do anything to list like what they would like to see. And again, it's like a one video, and like it's an older account. So, I mean, maybe I am a clown, but maybe not. So I'm kind of wondering if this is just like a coordinated effort, or if it's just like just happened to be like different trolls. But it's kind of weird that that's complaining about THTA and maybe some of my methods. But I mean, some people like the my ranking videos, so I'm guessing this person is in the minority. So this person might be crossing their arms and stomping their feet, maybe throwing an online hissy fit, which is fine. I guess you're entitled to be angry at whatever funds you hold. But this one is pretty interesting because like I'm looking at like just like the description of like the video. It's a short, so I'm kind of wondering if this is maybe a rich troll. Because like this person has a pretty sizable account, at least 500,000. I guess like whenever this person bought their high yield ETFs. So it's possible this person could be on track and making just like 100K just from distributions, and this doesn't take into account any like capital appreciation. So I'm kind of wondering why this person is so salty. And if if it is the case that this person is using like multiple troll accounts, so I'm wondering if some type of weird circle jerk or some type of flex. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of weird. And then, like one funny thought I had was like maybe it's like Jay or Sylvia trolling me, because I said maybe some nice things about certain funds, but hey, it's only the bad ones that I knock. Like I also say nice things about the good ones. So, but I'm just kidding, of course. I doubt they would spend the time to do that kind of stuff. I'm still kind of like wondering like why. Maybe if this person's just having a bad day, that's fine. But maybe it's some kind of weird engagement farming. Like I guess maybe trying to drive some results towards the whatever video that they had. And if they want to do some business, like you just put out a video showing like what you would do, or like what like criteria that you would like to rank stuff in. And it's kind of weird that this person's preoccupied over THTA. I mean, it is kind of lower volume. And I still stand by like my arguments. Like I mean, it could have been something if it kind of maintained maybe like a monthly iron condor type of trade, I think that would have been fine. It would have been like a different type of product. But I guess it is what it is. This person is entitled to their opinion, and I guess if they're up to it, like they can always do like an analysis video of like any of the Zega managed funds that they own. But anyway, so I'm kind of wondering if like this maybe this person lost money. I mean, if that's the case, I mean it's only THTA. That's like maybe not that exciting. Or like if any of the other ones lost money too, I mean you can probably just use them as a tax write-off. Just cut the losers and like offset it against like some of the gains that you already have. So, just my 2 cents. But anyway, hope you like this type of content. I don't plan to do this like you know type of like just trolling the troll type of video. I think it's just maybe a one-off. If you can subscribe as well, that'd be greatly appreciated. And of course, like the super thanks are very nice. So thank you for watching. Hope people make some good money out there, regardless of like market conditions. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.